Bonjour tout le monde, je suis Prof. John et c'est le dernier module. Alors, this is the last module we are going to work on. This is the last unit and the last activities we are going to have this last month. Yes, we almost finished fall semester and let's explore the D2L site. So first of all, you already have available the module 5 on D2L. Make sure to check every single week, because in every single week we have already some activities to complete. The basic ones are the VHL activities and the quizzes that we already have. This unit, we are not going to have a unit test. Instead, we are going to have a final exam that is going to be on December the 17th. So actually we have a month to prepare it. Then we are going to have also this in this unit, we are going to have also the final oral exam that probably is going to be in pairs. So make sure you participate a lot in the Flipgrid activities, because we are going to set the partners later. I think that next week we are going to talk about it. I will email you, of course. Also, we have this, in this last module, we have 2 extra credit activities. The last one. This week and next week, you are going to set an appointment with me. Just one appointment, 10 minutes long, and could be this week or could be next week, the week of the 13th, the week of the 14th, and we are going to talk about the content of the course, your performance, the feedback, any question you have, and you are going to receive full extra credit for this. So do it, please. 1% of extra credit is there. 1% of the final grade is there. Also, make sure to check our Notre Tableau de class, because there you're going to find feedback, meaningful written feedback about general concerns of the group. Also, make sure to check D2L and VHL. In both of them, you're going to find general and individual feedback about the grammar, about the vocabulary, about the structure of the language, etc. Also, in this module, we are going to have the last 2 Flipgrid activities. I'm still drafting the Flipgrid activity unit 4 and possibly 5, and the last activity of extra credits that are going to be close related. Remember, my purpose is that you receive all possible credit opportunities there, the full grade, and that you practice and learn more. Also, remember that you can find grammar explanations in my YouTube channel. Remember that it's going to be updated according to the needs. So this time I'm going to record some topics regarding prepositions, the verb aller, and the conjugation of ear verbs, the regular ear verbs. Also, to complete or to end this video, this is the overview video. In this module, we are going to work on Unit 5. And Unit 5, we are going to work some interesting topics. We are going to talk about les loisirs. And les loisirs are basically the leisure activities. So we are going to work on leisure activities, intonation, also about the cultural aspects of soccer in France, and the verb faire, pour les activités. So we are going to work on a new verb that is useful, faire, and also some irregular ear verbs. We are going to work as well on the topics of the weather and some open and closed vowels. And we are going to work on some numbers. Yeah, I know I'm bad at numbers, but we are going to practice a little more on this. And the spelling changes of some ER verbs. And that's all. And remember that the final exam for this class is going to be related to other units. It's compilative. So whatever we have studied from the very beginning is going to appear in the final exam. So that's why we have to study, review the topics, review the feedback, review the videos, etc. And if you have any question, any doubt, you can always stop by my office hours on Mondays, or set an appointment for Thursday, or just stop by on my think tank hours. If they don't work, email me and we can set an appointment. I have spots. And that's all. Thank you so much. Au revoir.